Exercise equation number 5. This point is P and this point is Q. This is 5 and 6 and this is minus 2, 2. And PQ is a diameter, and hence we know that midpoint AB we can find, and half of diameter is R, we know that. So A equal, we can find x1 plus x2 divided by 2, which is 5 plus minus 2 divided by 2, 3 over 2, and we can find B, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we now know the center is 3, 2 and 4. Now we can write the equation x minus a square plus y minus b square equal r square. Now we need to find r, but let me substitute first this one. E value we know now, 3 over 2 square plus y minus b value is 4 square equal r square. R square we can find two ways. Either we can substitute this any point 5, 6 or minus 2 or 2. That is one way. The second way is we can find this distance and we want to find the half of the distance. Or we can straight away calculate the radius. The first method is substitute 5, 6 point to equation 1. Then because 5, 6 on the circle, hence it should satisfy this equation, we can find r. That is first method. Another method is half of so radius is half of PQ. So half of PQ means square root x1 minus x2 square, 5 minus 2 square plus 6 minus 2 y1 minus y2 square. So this is going to be half a times 7 square plus 4 square. So 16 plus 49 65. So square root 65 over 2. So this is going to be r. Now we can write, so this is r. So r square is 65 over 2. Then we can simply write here 65 over 2. 60. When we square this one, 65 over actually 4. It is 65 over 4. Because r is square root 65 over 2. Then r square is 65 over 4. So when I substitute instead of r square, so I will get the equation. Question number 6. X minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square equal r square. So we need to find r. So we know that 1, 3 point on the circle. Since 1, 3 minus lies on the circle, it should satisfy the equation. So we'll substitute now. Instead of x now, 1 minus 3 square plus y mean minus 3 plus 4 square equal r square. So this is minus 2 square plus 1 square equal r square, 4 square plus 1 square r square. So 1 square equal 1. So r square equal 4. Now we know the value of r square. We need r square. So x minus 3 square plus y plus 4 square equal 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So r square, sorry, it's 5. Question number 7a, we need to find the r. So same as earlier, since we can take this is the easy point rather than this with the square roots. 2 lies on the circle. We'll substitute this one. 2 minus 2 square plus 2 minus 4 square equal r square. So this is become 0. 4 minus 2 is equal 4. We need to find r. So r value is square root 4 is 2. Part B, we know to show that PQR triangle is equilateral. So we need to find the distance of PQQR and RP. So first of all, we'll consider PQ, distance of PQ equal square root 2 minus 2 plus square root 3 square plus 2 minus 5 square. So this is 2 to 2 cancel out. Square root 3 square is 3. And this is 2 minus 5 and minus 3. Minus 3 square is 9. So this is going to be square root 12. Now we'll consider dpq, dpr. So dpr is square root 2 minus 2 square plus 2 minus, this is 2 minus square root 3 square plus 2 minus 5 square. So this is again 2 to 2 cancel out, minus 3 plus 3 square root 3 is 3, and this is going to be 12 as usual. 9 again, 2 minus 5, 3 square is 9. So this is going to be 12 again. Then dqr. So 2 plus 3 square root minus 2 minus square root 3 square plus 5 minus 5 square root. So this will give 2 plus square root 3 minus 2 plus square root 3 square plus 0 square. Now this is will give 2 to 2 cancel out. 2 square root 3 mean 4 times 3, that is 12. Hence PQ distance equal QR distance equal RQ distance equal square root 12. Hence triangle PQR is equilateral.